friends, welcome to G Corner. First of all, thanks for being a part in this YouTube channel. Today we're going to see about exercise 2.1, second sum and third sum. Shall we? Very small sums, so I am taking two sums in one video. Write a polynomials of degree 1, comma 2, comma and 3. You know already what is meant by polynomial. If any number or value with variables, it can be considered as a polynomial. But if it is not there a variable, you can consider that also a polynomial. Okay friends, see, they are asking about degrees 1, 2, 3. In first sum, you already know that what is meant by degree. Any which is the highest power value is called degree. In second sum, what are they asking? They are in first sum they have given a equation and asked you a degree. In second sum they have given you a degree and asking the equation. Shall we can create one degree one. This answer may different for any students. Many students will write their own. You can think one, I can think one. Any answer is correct, but the degree value highest power value should always be 1. See, first the degree is 1, so I shall write one variable and the degree should be 1, so the greatest power value should always be 1. Okay friends, next if you need you can write x plus any constant value 9. What is 9? 9 is considered as x power 0, so 9 into 1 is 9 only friends. The highest power value is 1, right? So degree 1. You can give this example or you can give like this, x plus 2 or x plus 3, x plus 2, 43, any number friends, or before you can put any number before x also, 2x plus 2, 3x plus 23. Before value, after value at all not important for us. Just see the power value. Power value should, the highest power should be 1. Okay friends, see the second sum. Degree 2. See what you want to do. I shall take y square plus, if there is a power value 2, you should go and write another one y as power 1 plus 8. You can put any number here, 3, likewise. Okay friends, I shall write another example. The highest power value should be y square 2. You can put 2y square or 3y square, anything. Next you can write just simply by omitting this y term you can write 288 or anything. Okay friends, just the highest value should be 2 only. After this, if you are writing or not writing, it's not a problem. Next, what is the degree of 3? Put off here. What is the degree of 3? Xy, so I shall write here ez cube plus 2y square plus 2z square plus 3ez plus 1. This is a degree of 3, right? I shall write another example, 8ez cube plus z square plus, after that I shall write directly any term. This is also a polynomial equation only friends. Every answer is correct. Many answers, infinite of answer is correct for this question, but just you want to see the power alone, highest power. What are the, see the third question friends, what are the coefficients of x square and x cube in the polynomial? See, coefficient means you should not confuse about power, degree, coefficient. In exam all the names will be same like you here. Just to clear that friends, power is, every number will have power. Which is the highest power is called degree, and before the value of that power is called polynomial. See here for example, what is the polynomial of this x square is, so if I what is the polynomial here, sorry, what is the coefficient here, you want to consider this before number. Okay friends, what is the number here? 2 is the coefficient. If I write 2, so 3y z cube plus 2z. What is the coefficient of z? You want to see the z and tell the coefficient of z. 2 is the coefficient. If I asked you what is the coefficient of y square, you want to tell the coefficient of y. The before number, the variable they have asking is called coefficient. See here, what are the coefficients of x square and x cube in the polynomial? See, listen here, where is the x square here? Here, right? What is the value before this x square? 6. So 6 is the coefficient of x square. Next, they have asked two questions in this question. And the x cube in the polynomial. Which is x cube here? X cube here, right? You want to consider the plus symbol and minus symbol also. If see here, some students will see coefficient of x3 is just 3. You should not write like this, friends. Before 3 there is a symbol minus, right? So you want to write minus 3 is the coefficient of x cube. Here I did not put plus symbol because if you need plus symbol you can put, or no need. Plus symbol is not mandatory, but minus symbol is always mandatory. So you want to put the minus symbol. Understand, friends? Just try to understand what is mean by coefficient. The before number, before the variable is called coefficient. Okay, thank you.